you as it is for me. I'm happy to celebrate that.
Chance to pitch here in front of the home crowd one last time.
Well, you know, I saw an opportunity to get in front of the home crowd 2 more times if I bumped the day up, and we were sitting at 18 at the time, and you know, the season hasn't gone like we wanted, but this is a special moment, this moment right here, and I'm happy to share it with all of you guys.
What's that feel like?
Only God could script a narrative like that. It's just been incredible. And I'm just so humbled by that. And you guys are so good at
Still tremendous year, but what does that number 20 mean to you?
Well, it's a nice round number. I mean, it's the culmination of a lot of hard work and a lot of people who love me well, and it's just so fun to be able to celebrate with a lot of people. I mean, that's a gift for me, and so I thank everybody for coming out and sticking with me, being loyal, and you guys are the best, and I appreciate you. I was hoping when we got some runners on base, you know, I didn't have a great knuckleball early on. I know I was getting some swings and misses, but I just didn't have a great feel of it in my hand, and I thought that we might have to score some runs today early on, and David hit the big blow, and it's really poetic the way that it happened, and I'm thankful for it.
It looked like on TV that you went to the changeup a little bit today. Did you mix in a couple different pitches besides the knuckleball?
Yeah, you know, I'm 37 years old now, and I have a lot of tricks in my bag, and so in the 8th inning, Terry, I came out for the 7th, and I thought I was done, and he said, you know, go out there and give those guys all you got, and I was happy to do it. So I went out in the 8th, and we did it.
This game, despite the fact you were on there 130 pitches?
Yeah, it was, when I got out there, I think we had decided that he was going to give me a hitter, and we struck out the first 2 guys, and I threw a super slow knuckleball. I thought he was going to miss. He fouled it off, and I ended up walking him, but after that, I knew I was coming out. I was just kind of gassed, and it's more important for me to win the baseball game at that point than anything I could do.
20 runs is sometimes not so memorable. Do you think there's a side